Hello friends, in this lecture we will see a slightly different questions on standard time calculation. So in the previous lecture we have solved two questions, similar type question. Okay, we have to calculate the standard time and we have to calculate the standard production rate. Okay, so it is a slightly different question. You can see a table has been given. Okay, so first we will read the question. Okay, so the question says that the observed time in minutes for 4 cycles of an operation consisting of 5 elements. Okay, so they are saying that we have 4 cycle of operations. Okay, we have 4 cycles of operation. Suppose that we are going to make a product. Okay, so for making that product it consists of 4 cycles of operation, and these 4 cycles consist of 5 elements. Okay, so basically they have given the observed time of those operation or element. Okay, and using stopwatch. Okay, so they have given the observed time of each of the element. You can see 1 2 3 4 and 5 elements is consist of. Okay, and 4 different cycles has been taken for the calculation of observed time. Okay, for work element 1 we have got the first observed time, this is 2.4 minutes. Okay, the second observed time 2.3 minutes, the third observed time 2.5 minutes, and the fourth observed time 2.4 minutes. So like this, for each of the work element the observed time has been given. Okay, it is 7.25, 7.15, 7.2 and 7.2. Okay, so this table is given all about the observed time of each of the work element, and for each of the work element 4 different observed time has been given. Okay, so they are saying calculate a standard time. Okay, so they are directly asking about the standard time for the operation when element 2 and 4 are machine element. Okay, so they are saying that the element 2 and element 4 are machine element. Okay, machine element means for machine element we have studied that the normal time and observed time is equal. Okay, no performance rating is given for the machine element. So for machine element the normal time and observed time is given, and all other elements, that is 1 3 and 5, the operator is rated at 120%. so performance rating of the other operator which are not machine operated, they are manual operated, this is performance rating is 120%, and 20% allowance are provided of the standard time. Here you can see allowance is given, but we have to consider the allowance on standard time. Okay, so since the question is telling us, so we will write allowance is 20% of the standard time. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate the standard time. So since we have got different observed time for each of the work element, so what we will do, we will take the average OT, that is average observed time. Okay, average observed time for each of the elements. Okay, so for first you can take the summation divided by 4, 2.4 plus 2.3 plus 2.5 plus 2.4 divided by 4. So after doing the calculation you will get 2.4 minutes. Okay, similarly for the second element you take the average of all the observed time, so you will get 5 minutes. Now 1.85 plus 1.95 plus 1.95 plus 1.85 divided by 4. Okay, you have to find the observed time for each of the work element, that's why we are taking the average. So here it is 1.90. now it is 3.2 plus 3.3 plus 3.4 plus 3.3 divided by 4, so it is going to be 3.3 minutes. Okay, and for the last, if you will calculate you will get 7.2 minutes. Okay, so we have got the observed time. Okay, so now this is the final observed time for each of the work element, you can say. Okay, this is the observed time. Okay, we have taken the average and we have found the what is the average observed time for each of the work element. Now we have been given the rating factor. Okay, we have been provided with the rating factor. So operation, you can see 2 and 4 are machine elements, so 2 there is no rating factor, and for 4 also there is no rating factor. Why? Because they are machine operated. So for machine operated the normal time is equals to the observed time. Okay, I have told you for machine elements. Okay, normal time is equals to observed time. So here it is 120%, here 120%, and for last operation also it is 120%. Okay, so we have got the observed time, we have got the rating factor. Now the time is to calculate the normal time. Okay, we can calculate the normal time. Since we have to find the standard time, so we can calculate the normal time. So normal time, you know what is the normal time? Normal time is observed time into rating factor. For first we will calculate it 2.4 into 120% divided by 100. Okay, so you will get 2.88 minutes. You will get 2.88 minutes. Okay, for second the observed time is 5. Observed time is 5. Performance rating is 120%. So you will get, I think, 6. Okay, you will get 6. Okay, sorry. The observed time is 1. Performance rating, okay, it is a machine element. So the performance rating is nothing. So the total normal time is only 5 minutes. Okay, the normal time is only 5 minutes. Okay, because no rating factor has been provided. Here 1.90 into 120% divided by 100. Okay, so just calculate it. After calculation we will get 2.28. 2.28 here. Okay, there is no change. You will get 3.3 minutes. And for the last one, you will get 7.2 into 120%. You will get 8.64. Okay. Okay, we'll get 8.64. Now what we have to do? This is the normal time of each of the work element. Okay, and these are the work element of a single activity. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take the summation of all the normal time. Then we will find the normal time for the activity. So what we will do? We will find the normal time. Okay, so normal time is the summation of all the normal time. So is it 2.88 plus 5.0 plus 2.28 plus 3.33 3.30 plus 8.64. So after doing the summation you will get 22.1 minutes. Okay, so this is the normal time. Okay, now the standard time ST is equals to normal time plus allowance. You know it. So what you are going to write? Standard time equals to normal time. We have got 22.1 plus allowance is 20%, and here it is 20% of ST. In the question they have given, so we will take ST. If nothing is given directly, they have written allowance, so we will take directly normal time. Okay, so here to take these things at this side, so we will get 0.8 time over standard time equals to 22.1. so here standard time you are going to get 22.1 divided by 0.8, so we will get 27.625 minutes. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so very simple one. You have to just take the average. Okay, and after that everything is same. Why we are going to take the summation? Because these all the elements are of a single activity. So final answer is 27.625 minutes. Okay, so in this way you can do the calculation. Okay, so just practice this type of question. It is a previous year ESE conventional 15 marks question. Okay, so just you need to practice this type of question. Very simple one. Okay, thank you.